Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to move your Microsoft documents into Google Drive efficiently. First, open your browser and go to Google Drive, then log in with your Google account. Once you're on your dashboard, click the New button at the top left, then select File Upload. This will open your computer's File Explorer. Now navigate to the folder containing your Microsoft files, Word, Excel, or PowerPoint, and select the file you want to upload. For multiple files, hold Control on Windows or Command on Mac while clicking each file. Once selected, click Open, and your files will begin uploading. You'll see a progress pop-up at the bottom right of your screen, and once complete, your files are safely in Google Drive. One tip, if you want to use Google's collaborative features, open the file in Drive and choose to convert it to Google Docs, Sheets, or Slides. This lets you edit in real time with others seamlessly. And that's it. A quick and easy way to move your Microsoft files into Google Drive for backup, sharing, or collaboration. Thanks for watching.